Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome to our channel.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
We're playing animal tag.
This is gonna be the worst video in the world.
We're gonna be playing hide and seek. I'm gonna be the seeker, and they're gonna hide. We got boundaries set up. And yep.
This is the worst video in the world. Just know that.
Okay, y'all go hide. One.
I know why I'm not hiding.
Two. I'm gonna count to 30. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 58, 15, 16, 38, 18, 19, 20, 21, bro, go hide. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, ready or not, here I come. I'm not cheating. Oh. It shouldn't take that long, come on. Alright, I'll give you 15 more seconds. I didn't want to give you a lot of time so y'all weren't too hidden because chances are I'm not going to be able to find you. No.
Yo, can I play? Can I play? Can I play?
Yeah.
So how many seconds do I got?
We're making a YouTube video. I'll do 20 more seconds. 1,
okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. Ready or not, here I come. Y'all better be hidden. Anybody back here? Let me turn my flashlight on. I figured all of you would go up too high.
F you.
Nobody move either. Get in your spot and stay.
I'm ready for you to find.
Yeah, I'm looking. I found you. I found you. All right, I gotta find Caden.
Let's go.
Help me find Caden.
Okay.
He's grappling, hooking. What, Caden? Yeah, it's one of our friends. I see somebody. Oh, Emma down here. Woo-hoo! I found you, Silas. Ah!
You didn't touch me.
You can't run.
You can't touch me. It's the high seat tag.
Okay. All right, we got 2 more people. Y'all help me find Caden and our other friend.
My friend.
All right, so far I found Silas and Emma. So I got you and Caden. I gotta find.
Caden's in the spaceship. Caden's in the spaceship. Just kidding.
No, he ain't.
Why not? See? I checked it.
Who's in the spaceship? Wait, I bet you I know where somebody is.
Where is he? No, where's he?
Nope. I was sure somebody was gonna hide in the recycling bin.
Here's a hint. Nobody's in the spaceship.
That we could have told somebody.
Here's a hint. I'm beside mine.
I hear someone grappling. Hiding here. Kaden, where are you?
Kaden.
I can't hear y'all.
Wait, when did this door open right here?
I don't know.
Those already opened.
No, it wasn't. This was not open. They must have opened this in the last update.
No.
I gotta find Kaden. He said he's grappling hooked somewhere.
Okay.
Is that a shortcut to the office?
I see you guys.
Kaden, give Daddy in my hand.
What, the things about the VRs?
Kaden, give Daddy Kaden, give Daddy in your hand.
My hint is butt crack.
Butt crack. That's not a hint.
I know it's not.
Butt crack.
It's something with yellow on it. Where is it? I can't tell you. It's somewhere high though.
It's somewhere.
Butt crack.
The hint is I'm in a crack.
Yeah, he's not lying. I'm trying to find him.
Is there rules?
Yeah, we had like kind of a boundary set up, but even with the boundary set up, it's still too hard.
Still too hard. It took me like 5 seconds to find this spot.
You said a crack?
A crack somewhere. I don't. But I'm not telling you where he's at. He's in a crack somewhere.
Who's in here?
Josh, you're supposed to help find us.
I can't. You're gonna know where you're at.
I hear all y'all grappling hooking, and y'all are nowhere close to me.
Where's the yellow butt crack at? Where's the yellow butt crack?
Where's the yellow butt crack?
No, it's something that has yellow and it's near a spaceship. Oh, yeah, I know, I see.
Oh, yeah, that's way farther. That's actually way farther.
Let me say something. I'm actually very close to the spaceship that's, the other spaceship. I'm close to the spaceship that's floating. I know exactly where they are.
It's up here, Emma. Come to the spaceship. I know where he's at. A yellow crack.
Kaden, I see a crack.
Well, must be not the right crack because I don't see you.
It's not a crack.
Where are you,
It's
bro?
not a crack, but I thought it was a crack.
Did you make him?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if we can see him from here.
Where are you at?
No.
And other little bro is like, he is invisible.
I got Kaden! I found him! He's next to the spaceship! And on the side of the
Bro.
There it was. Come here.
Come here,
Where?
come here, come here, come here.
Sorry.
Look. Look down this middle. Look down the middle. See?
This is where you were?
Yes.
I mean, there's like 1,000 cracks. Alright, we gotta find the other guy now.
I know where he is.
Alright, you're the last one.
Can you give us a hint? Beside mine. Let's duplicate our pickaxe.
You're beside what? Are you high or low?
What?
I asked if he was up high or low.
Hi.
What?
I want to duplicate
no, you
my
can.
grappling
It
hook so
doesn't
I can get
actually.
a tinier big one.
It doesn't actually go up, Em. Yeah. Are you inside of it? There's too many hiding spots, man.
Up here, look, you not see me? Give us another hint.
You can grappling hook on
I'm
the
in a
wall.
tight space. He's a tight space.
What did he say, Caden?
He's in a tight space.
He said what?
Tight space.
I mean, that could be anywhere.
Up here, you know, did we ever check up here? I found you!
No
Damn
way,
it.
bro.
Where's he at? Where's he at?
Dude,
That's a
we're
good
in.
spot.
Come to the caves.
Wait,
I'll
who's
show
in next?
you.
Who's in next? Who's in next? Who's
That's
in next?
crazy. All right,
Well,
I
let's all
think we
three
need
hide
to
here.
do.
Let's all three hide here. No, we're going to the
There's also another hiding spot I know.
Yo.
A couple.
Emma, look, this is where he was.
Yo, Orange, let me show you another hiding spot. Let me show you.
Yeah, there's another hiding spot down here.
Bro.
He was
Hide down here, bro. They're never
right here. That was too good of a hiding spot. Bro, I haven't played this game in a couple of days and my arms are wore out. Emma, where are you?
Daddy, come back to cave. Daddy, let me show you this spot that one of us
Whoa,
could hide
Emma.
hidden. Dad, let me show you the spot. Dad, come down here.
I can't.
What the heck, bro?
You gotta squeeze down here.
There's a whole entire cave.
No,
And then look.
You're supposed to
Wait,
grapple
wait,
down here.
An exit.
You're supposed to grapple down here.
Emma, grapple down here. Emma,
Daddy.
shoot your grappling hook down here.
Bro,
And then
y'all are
shining spot.
why is this down here,
Dad,
bro?
once you're down here, there's a secret
Hang
exit,
on,
Daddy.
Em. Look, keep shooting down here. And then use your other arm to pull yourself down. Like push down on the wall while you're grappling. Shoot your grappling hook straight down though. Straight inside the hole.
Like this.
Hello, mister.
Ah!
Here, I'll have to do it for you.
I'm stuck.
Hang on.
Or you can come this way.
Come
There's
on,
two ways in. There's two ways in.
Yo, another
This
spot.
is easier.
Yo, I found another spot. Bro, wait, if we blend in with the rocks, this is the best spot ever, bro. Blend in with the rocks, best spot. Wait,
another spot? No, another spot I found.
Bro, look,
follow me,
bro,
follow
look
me.
at this. Right here, bro, look at this.
No, another spot I found. Come follow me.
Out the hole?
Follow me. Yes, you got out the hole. Follow me. Look.
Emma. I got you down here, Em.
Yeah, that's definitely gonna be my hang spot.
Did you say you saw my dick?
Oh, dang it. Hang on. Alright, guys. So, this is a cool hiding spot here.
Oh yeah,
That
top of the
somebody
tree is
found.
a hiding spot. I mean, the
Bro, I
hardest
didn't even
spot
know
to
you
get
could do
it.
that. Babe, make sure she wipes her hand off.
I wanna go duplicate the
Look,
my
Em, you're
grappling
inside the
hook. I wanna
hole.
duplicate my grappling hook.
But did you wipe her hands? And her mouth? Look at this hole, Emma. Alright, Em.
Whoa.
Wave, say like and subscribe.
I'm playing another game.
Bye.
Boy. Boy.
Are you still eating a donut?
Yeah.
You have to pull yourself up with your other hand. Alright, guys.